Hi, Team Inland Markets welcomes you to weekly WTI Crude Oil technical analysis video. In this video, we are going to see the technical setups of crude oil WTI futures. We want to add that we are not giving any trading or investment suggestions, or we are not advising any trading strategies. Inland Markets or anybody related to Inland Markets will not be responsible for any trading or investment loss incurred. The sole purpose of this video is training and education. Trading is an inherently risky business, so we recommend that you do your due diligence and also take recommendations and advices from professional experts. Now let us start. Here what we can see is that we have plotted the WTI crude oil futures daily chart. This chart is plotted in investing.com's free charting solutions. We want to thank investing.com for giving such a real-time and efficient trading solutions to trader. Now what we have done is that we have plotted the Bollinger Band, the 5-period moving average, the 8-period moving average, the 13, 34, 50 and 100 period and 200 period moving average here in the chart, and we have plotted the 14-period RSI and the slow stochastic in the below. If you do not know about these indicators, you can go to our indicators and oscillator section in our blog, that is blog.inlandmarkets.com. In technical analysis, if you click indicators and oscillator, you can find the details about many of the indicators and you can know about them. Now let us get back to the daily chart. Here what we can see is that last week, as there was an uptrend, and this week the uptrend continued for the first 2 days. Then there was a doji formed here, and after that there was a big red candle, and after that we got a beginning of a downtrend. With the turn of this market, RSI also turned slope negative and the slow stochastic also came into normal zone from the overbought zone. Now let us go to a 4-hourly chart. This is the 4-hourly chart of WTI crude oil. What we can see that during this up move, the prices were taking support at the 13-period 4-hourly moving average, and once there was a bearish engulfing pattern formed in the 4-hourly chart, what we could see is that price breaking down. Price didn't take support at the 4-hourly mid Bollinger line, and the next candle was very bearish. It was a huge move, almost a $2 move, and after that what we could see is that the prices came up, and in the mid Bollinger level of 4-hourly there was a very nice shorting opportunity. This was also a very big move, almost $2.50, and what we can see is that the indication was provided by the simultaneous RSI movement to 50 level. What we could see in the earlier downtrend also, when the RSI was moving back to this 50 level, multiple shorting opportunities were provided, and this was also a very low risk shorting opportunity someone could have taken. Now if we go to the daily chart again, we can see that all the shorter moving averages are above the closing price. So the prices have closed below the shorter moving averages, and there is a potential that what we can see that RSI has traded down and the slow stochastic is again trending down and in the normal range after staying in the overbought range. So there is a possibility that the markets can move to this lower channel support that is in the daily chart. But if there is a uptrend in between, the indications will be provided in the shorter time frame chart, because what we can see is that the trend is there, but this time the high was not in the trend channel top, rather market turned from the 50-day moving averages. So if the market chooses to turn before this point, this channel support, we will have to look for the indication in a shorter time frame chart. So this is about the WTI crude oil for this week. Thank you for watching the video. Do come back for next week WTI crude oil technical analysis. We wish you a very good weekend and a very good trading week next week. Thank you.